welcome back to my channel. My name is Lesha and I'm doing another full day of eating. Welcome back. My name is Lesha from BSB Tribe, and today I'm doing a full day of eating a little differently. I'm actually doing a 24 intermittent fasting. What that means is that I'm fasting for 20 hours and eating within a 4-hour eating window. So fasting is great for a lot of things. Fasting is great for healing your body, for autophagy, removing old cells, killing off cells, weight loss, diabetes, all the things. I used to fast a lot and then I kind of stopped because I thought I had thyroid issues. I don't have thyroid issues, I have estrogen issues and gut issues, which fasting is great for healing the gut as well. So for this week, I am going back to fasting 24. So it is almost noon, so I'm about to have my first meal. So how I do it is that I pick a 4-hour window that works for me. 4-hour window that works for me right now is 12 to 4. You can pick any 4-hour window that you want. Personally, this is the best for me because I work out in the morning all the time. So right now I'm kind of hungry. So I've been fasting since last night, 4 p.m. It's almost noon, so I am going to have my first meal. For my very first meal, it's gonna kind of still be like a brunch or a breakfast. I made flax pancakes. So I love these pancakes because they have loads of fiber in them. The recipe is on epfitexplore.com. I'll put it in the description, but it's flax meal, almond flour, a couple other ingredients, eggs, and then I make them in bulk. They're super filling, super delicious. And then I make a glaze for it. So I either do some kind of fruit with coconut milk and kind of churn it into a topping. But today I did a peanut butter glaze, which is peanut butter powder, some almond milk, and a little bit of sweetener. So I'm just going to top them with that, and that will be the meal. Okay, so breakfast or brunch is ready. The peanut butter glaze is a little liquidy, but it doesn't matter. It's super delicious anyway. You can make it thicker if you want, but I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this because I am hungry and it's time to eat the first meal. All right, so it's time for my second meal of the day. It is around 3 o'clock and I stopped eating at 4, so I'm gonna start preparing my second meal, which is going to be a veggie stir fry with tofu. I'm still doing a vegetarian-based diet. So yesterday I made this tempeh, just sauteed it with some curry and other spices so it's flavorful, and I'm gonna heat that up. I'm gonna mix in some broccoli and cauliflower, some baby kale, and I'm gonna top it with some sauerkraut and cook it with ghee. All right, let's go. Veggies and the tempeh is done. I'm gonna turn that off and put it on my plate. actually decided last minute that I was gonna top it with some avocado too. Found some in the fridge. Half of an avocado. So it's about 1 cup of broccoli and cauliflower combined. About 2 ounces of tempeh. About a cup of kale.
Mommy!
And 2 tablespoons of ghee. Yes. Hold on. I'm gonna use a spoon and spoon the avocado on here. Anybody else have a 2-year-old that just whines all day? Sheesh. I'm telling ya. The whining. And then I'm gonna do this curry kraut. There you go. And that is my lunch/dinner. Guys, take a look at this. It's so good. It's like all the healthy stuff. So healthy. Anyway, that is my day of eating, intermittent fasting, 4-hour window, okay? So if you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Turn on notifications. I will be going back to regular keto shortly and 3 meals a day, but right now I'm just experimenting with my hormone stuff. So let me know what you think in the comments. See you next time.